Have you heard about the investment app called AutoPilot? This app gives you a way to automate your portfolio by copying the strategies of top traders and even following politicians and hedge funds whose trades are publicly disclosed. You get to pick a pilot whose portfolio you'll mirror and then watch how the app places trades in your brokerage account for you automatically. The idea is that instead of spending hours researching stocks yourself, you can essentially ride along with experts who have a track record. Getting started means linking your brokerage account, choosing a pilot strategy that fits your risk level and goals, and setting your budget for how much you want the app to manage. Once set up, the app starts doing the heavy lifting, buying or selling based on the selected pilot's actions. You'll get updates, and you can monitor performance in real time or check the historical results before committing. But there are a few things to be aware of. These pilot strategies may have minimum investment thresholds and subscription or access fees to get the full automation features. Some users caution that there is a delay between when a trader makes a move and when it's reflected in the app because of reporting lags. And as with all investing, there are no guarantees. Market risks apply and past performance doesn't promise future gains. One of the best parts is the convenience. You can literally set it and forget it while your portfolio is managed automatically according to the pilot you selected. For someone short on time or who doesn't want to pick each stock, the app offers an attractive alternative. And for the more hands-on investor, it provides ideas and transparency into what influential traders are doing. If you're curious, this could be a way to diversify your strategy and reduce the amount of manual stock picking you do. But make sure you understand the fees, minimums, and the risk involved. Try it out, monitor how it's doing, and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching this review of the AutoPilot investment app. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tech and finance app insights, and leave a comment letting me know which pilot you think you'd follow. See you next time.